Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing really great. So this is not a lecture video, this is just an appreciation video to all my followers, students, colleagues, seniors, friends and all of those who have been supporting me and watching my videos. Thank you everyone. My channel is now officially at the 10k subscriber mark, a feat which normally takes a very long time for people to achieve, but because of all of your support I have been able to achieve that much quicker than I initially hoped to achieve. Although my channel reached the 10k subscriber mark a few days ago, but I didn't have the time to make this video, so I'm making it now. I know I haven't been much active in the past few months, specifically since the past 1.5 years. At the start, I was regularly posting videos like 2 videos every week, then it trickled down to once a week, then once a month. I have tried my best to make a schedule of posting videos like at least once a week, but I could not stick to it, mainly because in the last year or so I was doing multiple jobs, one job in the morning, then one job in the evening. So I wasn't getting enough time to make videos. The editing takes a lot of time, so I was only able to do a little bit each day, or was able to do some sort of editing on Sundays, but it was really hard. Trust me, it was really hard. Even now, I'm currently studying for my upcoming exams and also doing a 9-hour job, so I essentially have very little time on my plate. But I'm trying my best to be active on this channel, so please bear with me guys as I'm trying to, manage my schedule and manage my things here and there. Also, many people complain of the bad audio in my videos, so I would like to clarify that also. So at the start, my mic wasn't really good because I used to record my phone, but then after 3 or 4 videos, I quickly bought a condenser mic, which was relatively cheaper, the BM800. It gets the job done, but still it is not that good. But now I'm trying to save up to buy an even better microphone, which will of course cost me a lot, but will definitely be worth the price. So please bear with my voice till then, till I have saved up enough to buy a good microphone, and then I have plans of redoing most of my videos in a better audio quality. And I would also appreciate if you can suggest me more ways on how I can improve on my content, whether it be lectures or the recent clinical videos that I have started to make. To those clinical videos, I will be doing voiceovers for those videos as well, in which I will be explaining the process, and more clinical videos are in the making. But right now, I'm just trying out some new things on my channel. So please do let me know what more you guys want to see and how I can improve on my content in other ways. I always appreciate constructive criticism, but please don't be very harsh on me guys. Anyways, thank you everyone for showing me your lovely support all these past months, and do keep on supporting me. Next special video will be coming at the 25k subscriber mark, so if you have any special request for that video, do let me know in the comment section below. As always, please take care of yourselves and your loved ones, stay safe, and goodbye everyone.